My name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology.
Today, I'm walking you through the installation of the Samsung 75-inch Class LS03D, the frame QLED HDR 2024. Unlike traditional TVs, this one has a unique mounting system that gives it a sleek picture frame look. I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and secure setup. Disclaimer: this video is a step-by-step guide on installing a Samsung Frame TV. While we strive to provide accurate and clear instructions, installation may vary depending on your specific equipment and setup. If you have any doubts or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team at LMT is here to help. You can contact us through our website, email, phone, or social media platforms for support. Before getting started, here are the necessary tools and materials: a drill with the appropriate bit for the wall type, a level for precise alignment, a stud finder for added stability, and measuring tape with a pencil for accurate markings are essential for installation. Additionally, the included mounting hardware inside the box contains the frame TV itself, a One Connect box, a remote, One Connect cable, and the special no-gap wall mount that sets this TV apart. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step installation process. Step 1. Remove the old TV. Before installing the Samsung Frame TV, the old TV must be removed. Begin by unplugging all cables and carefully lifting the TV off the mount. This step is best done with at least 2 people to prevent damage or injury. Next, unscrew and remove the old wall mount, along with any existing wiring and brackets, to make space for the new setup. Once the wall is prepped, the Samsung Frame TV's dedicated wire and bracket can be installed, ensuring a secure and seamless installation. Step 2. Attach the hanging bracket and prepare the TV to be hung. First, peel off the backing from the protective templates and stick them onto the back of the TV, making sure the arrows are pointing toward the center. Next, grab the hanging brackets and attach them using the included screws. You'll notice they're labeled L and R to help you place them on the correct sides when looking at the back of the TV. Now extend the hanging brackets by pulling the arms up. Once you have that screwed in all the way, it allows this to move around but not fall off, which helps in leveling the TV. Lastly, peel off the backing from the protective padding and stick it near the bottom of the TV. This will help protect both the TV and the wall from any scuffs. Step 3. Determine the TV placement. Now, it's time to determine the placement of your TV. Using a tape measure, record the height and width of the TV and write down these measurements for reference. Measure the height and width of the wall where the TV will be installed to ensure proper positioning. Then, measure and mark the placement of the mounting bracket on both the TV and the wall. Using a pencil, mark all necessary drill points on the wall for precise installation. Step 4. Attach the mounting bracket. Based on the marked points, drill holes in the wall where the mounting plate will be secured. Align the bracket with the drilled holes and secure it using screws. Use a level to ensure the bracket is straight before fully tightening the screws. Step 5. Lift and secure the TV to the wall. We're positioning the TV exactly 4 inches above the mantle for an optimal viewing height while maintaining a balanced look. The goal today is to mount this TV so that it is perfectly centered and proportioned above the mantle. With the help of at least 2 people, carefully lift the TV. Note: make sure to handle the TV from the edges. Don't pinch the screen. Before completing this step, run the end of the cable inside the chimney and plug it into the One Connect port. It will lock into place when fully inserted. Attach the securing clip to the TV to help hold the cable in place. Align the TV with the wall mount and gently hook it onto the mounting bracket. The mounting bars should click into place when properly secured. Gently press the TV against the wall to ensure it sits flush. Once secured, pull out the One Connect cable from the other end and connect it to the external One Connect box. To finish setup, connect the other end of the One Connect cable to the One Connect box until it clicks into place. Then, plug an HDMI cable from the AV receiver's HDMI out port into an HDMI input on the One Connect box. This routes audio and video through the receiver for seamless playback on your TV. Once connected, power everything on, and you're all set. And that's it. your Samsung 75-inch class LS03D. The frame QLED HDR 2024 is now securely mounted and ready to enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch more tech setup guides or subscribe to my channel for access to all my tutorials and step-by-step guides. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching.